here for a quick video walkthrough of this 1984 Uniflite 42 double cabin. Easy to step on board, right up the ladder. Plenty of room back here. All the furniture on the boat comes with the boat. Down into the boat, and we will move forward. See the galley down here. You have an oven, small stove, microwave oven, dishwasher, sink. Plenty of storage over here. Behind these mirrors, all storage shelves. Here's a pantry. Plenty of storage space there as well. Good size refrigerator, freezer. Stackable washer and dryer, always nice to have. Staggered bunk beds up in the V-berth. Natural lighting. Here's your forward head, along with a full-size shower stall. Back up through the salon to get back to the aft cabin. Plenty of room back here too, you can see. You can walk around the bed, plus you still have all this storage. These cabinets on the sides of the bed. Another full shower stall. So this boat has two full shower stalls. See all the storage you have. Hanging locker. Here's your instrumentation. Well, you know, these panels here, which it's nice to have here because a lot of people don't like when they're up here and have to sit behind the furniture. You have to move things out of the way to access those panels. Up to the flybridge. Any visibility from up here. And that's it. So come on out and take a look when you get a chance. Take care.